Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing here of the Spyderco Resilient. This is gonna be the lightweight model, so this is gonna be a little bit, obviously, a little bit lighter than the regular model. This was sent to me by Bottle Box to show it to you guys. So I'm gonna show you this real quick. Really cool box. Obviously, this is usually how a Spyderco comes, and usually very typical boxing. So we're gonna open it up. I actually had a plastic wrapper that I took off already, but this is kind of what you have right here. We're gonna move the knife out of the way, and I'm just gonna show you some of the paperwork that it comes in there, right? Actually comes with a sticker as well. And if you open this up, obviously it's going to give you some information, as you can see right here. So let me give you a quick look at the knife right here. I'm going to tell you, this knife is just beautiful. This checkering right here feels so good when you touch it. Has definitely a lot of traction. As you can see, you could change the clip right here. So you have your clip, you could go like this, which is tip down. You could also go tip up, so you have a lot of choices right there. And again, you could go this way as well. We're gonna open it up right here. I'm gonna show it to you, and I'm gonna tell you, this is a pretty beefy knife, pretty big. Again, this is not a small knife at all. You can see me holding it right here. And again, I love the jimping. All Spydercos are pretty much like that, so you can put your thumb right there and kind of do whatever work you got to be doing. Right here, it's gonna say Spyderco, and it's actually gonna give you the information on the steel, which is going to be ACR13 MOV. Pretty common steel. A lot of knives use that steel right there. You can see some of the inside right here. I love how it's just completely clear, so you can wash it off if it gets dirty or anything like that. And obviously, it's going to be a liner lock. You see the lock right there, and obviously push it to the side, and then you could close it right here. Now, Spydercos are known for this little circle right here. If you're not aware, usually knife have a flipper or something like that. This usually deploys differently, and you do got to have a little bit of practice, but you're supposed to put your finger right there, and then you could kind of like, flick it out, right? So again, you do have to have a little practice if you're not used to doing that, but again, you use it with that right there, and some people get really good at it. Love the design, love the scale, love all, the chrome pieces. I think it's really nice and really good detailed knife. Obviously, you could get it with a plain blade like I have right here. You could get them in black as well, so you have different choices. The blade length right here is going to be about 4.25 inches. The overall knife is going to be about 9.40 inches. So like I say, it's going to be a bigger folder. It's going to have a full flat grind. The scale is going to be G10 material, and like I said, they have a lot of traction. You can also see that you do have a little hole back here in case you want to put a lanyard or something like that. And again, a pretty cool looking knife. I'm just going to do a quick test right here to see how sharp it is. I have not used it at all, so this is going to be the first time. Obviously, I'm going to grab it right here, and wow, you can see that right there, right? First time using this knife, and as you can see, it is pretty, there you go, it is definitely pretty sharp. So far, I really like it.